Hey guys, it's Positive Bluebird. So today I am working on the sewing machine. Since I've lost so much weight, I'm taking in my pants, probably about 3 or 4 pairs. And when you turn them wrong side out, just take a piece of chalk and kind of eyeball it where you want it. You could either start from the internal seam or the outside seam. Here, it's easier to do the internal seam, and then the pants that I'm wearing, I did the external seam. I think it just depends on how it lays and how it flares. So you draw where you want it, you pin it, try them on, see if they fit right, and then start sewing. I did this type of stitch, which is a zigzag, and I went back maybe 2 or 3 times, and then what I'm going to do is cut right along the seam, which is right about here. You don't want to go right up on the seam. You want to give a little bit of groove in case you stretch. You don't want the seams to come out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing over here on the sewing machine. I hope you guys have a terrific Friday. Don't look at my ugly feet, but see, I took in my pants with the hairs. Hey, if you're a pet owner, you would understand. Oh my gosh. The dog and the cat are shedding so bad. But anyway, I did take them in. I mean, these are a little bit roomier up here because I like them that way. I don't want them completely tight. But I do like that they come down a little bit tighter around the ankle. Alright guys, peace out and stay positive. Happy Friday and stay safe during the 4th.